Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer emails from Gmail to Outlook with Microsoft 365 step by. Open your web browser and navigate to the Outlook login page. Log into your Microsoft 365 account using your credentials. Once logged in, go to the Outlook app. Click on the settings gear icon in the upper right corner. Select View All Outlook Settings at the bottom of the settings menu. In the settings window, click on Mail and then on Sync Email. Under Connected Accounts, click on Gmail. You will be prompted to enter it and click OK. You may be redirected to a Google sign-in page. Enter your Gmail credentials. You will then need to grant Outlook permission to access your Gmail account. Click Allow to continue. Once connected, return to the Outlook settings page. Choose your syncing options. You can decide how many days of email to import. After setting your preferences, click Save. Now, go back to your Outlook inbox. Give it some time for your emails to start transferring from Gmail to Outlook. You should now see your Gmail emails appearing in your Outlook inbox. If needed, check the folder hierarchy to ensure all labels are correctly migrated. You can organize your transferred emails into folders if desired. Verify that your emails have been properly imported, and check for any missing messages. Congratulations, you have successfully transferred your emails from Gmail to Outlook with Microsoft 365. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.